Hi, I'm Sarah Shepard, and I'm the COO of Stringcan Interactive. We're a digital marketing agency in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we have been an AMI member for many years. We've been a member of the owner group and most recently a key executive member. And it's been the most incredible membership for our company. Drew's groups, his meetings, everything about his presentations, the podcasts. He's so incredibly valuable. He provides a lot of amazing insight. He's very witty and handsome, and I really can't imagine going without this value, especially with the COVID and the PPP information. Drew's been there for everyone in a really emotional, supportive way, in addition to helping us run our business in a really fiscally responsible way. And I cannot imagine continuing without this membership. Thanks so much, Drew.